Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into how to uninstall programs on Windows 10. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Apps. Then click Apps and Features. You'll now see a list of all the installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the program you want to remove. Once you find it, click on the program and then click the Uninstall button. A confirmation message may appear. Click Uninstall again and follow the on-screen instructions until the process is complete. If a program doesn't uninstall from here, you can also open the Control panel, click Programs and Features, select the program, and choose Uninstall from the top menu. That's it. The program has been removed from your Windows 10 PC. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.